guys, so here we have the AirPod, the fake AirPods. This one is called the TSW i12, as you guys can see on the box right there. It is called the i12 TWS, and I think that TWS stands for True Wireless Stereo, and i12, I guess i12 is the version, but have been using these for about 3 months now or 2 months now, and they sound wonderful. And surprisingly, when I bought it, I thought that it will come, like, it wouldn't be as small as this, because you know earpods are pretty new and a lot of people are experimenting with the earpods still. But surprisingly, these one came pretty good, and I mean the size are very great. I'm gonna put up a picture on the screen right now with the earbuds in my ears, and the size is just pretty great, and it's just surprising. And then the charging case now is so, it is so like so close to the Apple earpod case. As you guys can see in there, you have the little ports inside. I don't know if you guys can see, I don't think you guys can see, but the case basically operates just like the Apple earpod. And here you turn it on. This is what I just don't like with it. You have this blue light here. I think they should have done it without the blue light. And also these earphones here, they light up when they are turned on. So, and these earphones don't really have an on and off switch or anything like that. I kind of like that. So once you take it out of the case, immediately it starts to pair with your phone, as long as your phone Bluetooth is on. That is pretty cool. But otherwise, guys, this is very great for the price. I mean, you can pick up one of these on Amazon for like $10 or so, or maybe even cheaper, and the size is pretty good for its price. As I said, it is very close to the Apple earpods, and I think that's what they were going for, and they did that. As I said, I was very surprised when these came in this size right here. But guys, I know a lot of you guys have been seeing these earphones around and wonder if these fake earphones are worth it. I would say if you're looking for good quality earphones, maybe not. But say you want to just have them in and be cool and make it seems like you have actual earpods, then I think this is the earpod for you to buy. Say you can't afford $150 earpod or a $250 earpod Pro. These are definitely the size to go for and the price to go for just $10. You get Bluetooth, and also these also have touch screen. So here you see this one is on and it's lighting up. It also had not touch screen, it had touch like finger, like here. If you touch it here, it would either pause the song or skip the song or answer your phone, or if you press an hold, I think it should activate your assistant, whether you use Google Assistant or Siri. But pretty much, guys, that's it. I love these earphones. I pretty much love these earphones. I've been using them for around 2 months now, as I said, and I'm thinking to give away this earphone right here. Let me know if you guys are interested in a giveaway, and I will reply to your comment and let you know if I'm doing a giveaway or not. So thank you guys for watching this video. This has been a quick tech review, and thank you guys for watching this video, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace.